Hi, this is Elias Fofen of aka Engineer Spock, and in this section we're going to learn what the meta principles are. We refer to the principles we're going to talk about in this section as to meta principles because they are the roots of all the other more concrete principles, adhering to which we're actually trying to conform with the meta principles. We will start from the dry or don't repeat yourself principle. You'll learn the definition and the most common smells of violating the dry principle. After that, you'll learn the KISS or keep it simple, stupid principle. Here we're going to talk about simplicity and complexity, accidental and essential complexity, and how to achieve simplicity. The next meta principle we are going to talk about is the YAGNI, or you ain't gonna need it principle. It is related to the needless complexity smell and concerns the anticipations of upcoming features. We will look into practical problems which we face and what are the consequences of implementing features we actually don't need. After that, we're going to talk about the SOC, or separation of concerns principle. This principle underlies, in a sense, all the solid principles. Separation of concerns is very important for achieving well-maintainable applications. You'll see the most common ways of violating the separation of concerns principle. Command query separation principle makes easier to reason about the code. We will discuss the law of Demeter, which is the principle of least knowledge. Separately, we will talk about the principle of least astonishment. In the end, we will touch the topic of information hiding and encapsulation. By the way, I will use the word principle instead of meta principle in this section further, just for the sake of saving some time. In the next lecture, you will learn about the dry principle. Let's get started.